Karta, former director, NSCS, with us, along with political analyst Pranay Agarwal. A very good evening to all of you for joining us on this very special discussion and perhaps going to escalate in months to come, given that we're nearing election season in the national capital. I don't see Anmol on the screens as yet, but I do believe he's through. And my first question is for the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson here, because your Chief Minister, Anmol, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes.
Pranay,
yes.
would you want to take that forward?
Yes, definitely, Kritsveen. So the way I see it, this slugfest, of course, has to be understood in the context of the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. You see, Hardeep Puri's tweet was 2 years old, and it was also clarified back then by the Home Ministry. So why rake it up now again, except to reap political capital? Also, one has to assess who is politically benefiting from the presence of illegal
But don't you
immigrants
think
in the
perhaps
voters
if a
list.
clarity came in on under what circumstances that post was published, all of this would have not happened today?
Absolutely. Definitely that is there. But having said that, there was a clarification which was issued. Now it is being referred to a political tutu meme. To the credit of AAP, it is trying to take on the BJP on its home turf, trying to hurt it on sensitive, crucial issues of illegal immigrants and national security. But I think it is a brave attempt, but it is not likely to yield results. One is that, and of course, the legal position is very clear. Rohingyas are not Indian citizens and they do not have any fundamental right to reside and settle in India. So it is good. One good thing that has come out of this whole fracas is that all political parties across the political spectrum, they are today acknowledging the Rohingya refugee crisis as a serious concern. Right? So clearly you have the Passport Entry into India Act of 1920 also. It clearly prohibits entry into India without passport. And as was rightly pointed out, Rohingyas cannot be treated as legally treated as refugees till they declare their presence to the local DM and seek refuge. So they are clearly illegal infiltrators and a very serious national security concern. Unfortunate, which is now being turned into a political slugfest.
No, but how do you crack down on them? Tara, you want to quickly come in on that? What's the process here, procedure here? Because everybody clearly is passing the buck and somebody needs to be held accountable, right? If there are a certain number of Rohingyas and the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party's vote bank, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying BJP is not doing enough, where does the buck stop?
No, legally, it's very clear. You cannot have them in Delhi. It is not permissible. What do? You can't repatriate them, unfortunately, to Myanmar because it's a terrible situation there. However, what we had done initially, way back, years ago, was that we gave Bangladesh a lot of aid so that they would stay where they were.
Yeah.
That has not been repeated. I don't know why. We haven't really pursued that. And right now, well, Bangladesh is, I don't know whether
but who's supposed to crack down, for instance, on a situation wherein, allegations are being leveled that they're being given illegal votes, that if they are being allowed to vote, for instance, in an assembly election like the national capital, then it is highly problematic, right? And since Delhi, since law and order is a state subject, the border controls, like I said, are under the central government. Who's stopping who?
No,
law and order in Delhi is not a state subject, ma'am.
It is not in Delhi. I do understand. That's what
that's
what I was trying to ask. That's what I was trying to ask, Anmol, that all of this needs to be asked to the BJP today, clearly. That's why I'm asking Tara, where does the buck stop? And then I'll let Pradeep come in. Tara.
I think in terms of illegal migration, yes, the buck stops with the center. I mean, having said that, your borders are so porous and it's been like that for decades. It's not yesterday or today, right?
Yeah.
You have to, but then there is also a moral obligation that you cannot turn away children and women, out of the country. And of course, there's the whole West Bengal politics, which is playing a role in this. Even when we tried to stop them, there was, I don't want to go into that, but there was a lot of stuff there. In Delhi, it is clearly the Lieutenant Governor has done the right thing. He's saying, identify those who are there. That is something which should have been done long ago. Having identified, you may protect. But first you have to identify and prevent them from getting into the voting process at all, which doesn't seem to be what people want to do.
And for instance, Pradeep, if the Aam Aadmi Party is to be partially blamed for settling them in the national capital, why is the BJP or the central government sitting on it?
Well, the central government is not sitting on it, and let me respond to you. 2nd December, 5 illegal immigrants arrested in Assam. 6th December, 4 arrested. 11th December, 2 arrested. On May 2024, the chief accused of Tripura, Jilail Milal, arrested for facilitating illegal Rohingyas from Bangladesh. So we are acting, but the issue is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal wants the Rohingya votes in order to get vote bank politics, in order to win Delhi election, which he is not winning. If he was serious about the Rohingya thing, he would have not
No,
given
crackdown
ticket to
surely is
Amartya Khan,
taking
where
place.
the
Nobody is
majority
denying
Rohingya
that. That's
crisis
why I
remains.
spoke of a formal verification drive that's
So now
underway
let
as
me
well.
allow
But why
me
has
to
the
please-
government not published a formal
So
paper?
where
Why
we
do we
are-
not know about the exact number of illegal Rohingyas in the national capital or elsewhere, for instance?
Christine,
Can I
it is a
come
matter
in?
of progress. The intent of solving this was NRC. But when you saw political opposition to NRC and CA, you had to use the CA has come, but NRC took some time, and it will happen in due course. Let me just expose you the intent of Aam Aadmi Party. This is the Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party's tweet. If you can see here, if I would request your camera person that if you can show the Aam Aadmi Party tweet, this is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal sitting here, and when the government had got CA, he had openly stated a position कि भैया CA को वापस लो, क्योंकि CA में रोहिंग्या और ये लोग नहीं आ रहे. So when the government had got CA, which was for religiously persecuted in the borders, these individuals opposed it, saying कि भैया रोहिंग्याओं को क्यों नहीं ला रहे हो? So at that time, these people wanted Rohingyas
Can
in
I
the
respond?
country for their vote bank, and today, knowing they are losing the Delhi election, they're trying to create a political posture. And I asked Mr. Pawar, he's lying on the channel, please quote me exact date and video where the Home Minister of India has said that there is massive infiltration problem. Exact verbatim quote, otherwise you are spreading fake news and you will be charged for it. Quote
On the
right now,
face
when
of
did
it,
he say this before
Anmol,
yesterday?
your
I
party's
asked you on
strategy
it.
appears to be that since the BJP raked this issue to
Can-
corner your government, you've turned it around on the Bharatiya Janata Party instead. That seems to be the Aam Aadmi Party strategy.
Miss Walia, let me show you this. In April 2021, the Honorable Supreme Court, I mean the BJP don't believe in judiciary, that's other thing, but the Honorable Supreme Court of India ruled that Rohingyas refugees should be deported from India. आज कितने साल हो गए 2021 से 22, 22 से 23, 23 से 24,
So if the
3.5 साल हो
LOP,
गए,
Vijendra
3.5
Gupta has
साल।
demanded a special discussion
Secondly,
in the assembly to implement NRC, will you welcome
Miss
that
Walia,
move? Will you let
Miss
that
Walia,
happen?
10 sec-
Mr. Anmol.
Miss Walia, look at the second tweet which Mr. Hardeep Puri said. Those who made a career out of spreading canards on India's refugee policies, deliberately linking it to CA, will be disappointed. So today you both will be disappointed. But thirdly, as one of the panelists said that it's a national security concern. Certainly it's a national security concern.
where is he answering the
security
question?
at
He's
the
diverting
border.
the entire
Anmol,
That's the
anything but
responsibility of the central
anything but an
government.
answer to
But
my
what is-
question.
but
My
what
straight
is-
question to you is, if the BJP today says we want NRC to be
can I
discussed in the
complete?
assembly, we want to implement it. What's your take? Since you're the ones who are very, very concerned about the situation, would you support the BJP in doing so?
See, Miss Walia, their strategy is that whenever they are confronted,
Anmol,
and
yes or
whenever
no?
they are
One straight
exposed before
answer
the nation
is the only thing I'm
I'll tell
asking
you,
for.
I'll tell you, whenever they get exposed before the countries, just like they have been exposed today and yesterday by their own home minister, they try to divert from the issue. The issue at
Lying on your channel. Show me the Home Minister's tweet, Anmol Pawar, or I will file a case on
the
fake
illegal
spreading fake
Rohingyas
news.
in Delhi.
I challenge you,
Where
Anmol Pawar.
exactly
Show me
have
Home
you
Minister's
relocated
tweet.
He's
illegal
daring
Rohingyas
you.
in
He's
Delhi?
daring you to
Give us the complete
verbatim
list.
quote
Show me
of
the
the Home
complete list.
Minister.
I will not let you spread fake news about the Home Minister of India.
Shockingly,
the
the
video.
Union Home Minister says that. Shockingly,
Stop-
the Union
stop
Home
spreading
Minister
fake
says
news.
that instead of
This is not
taking
Aam Aadmi
action,
Party's
he is
concept.
saying that the state is responsible for the border
You
security.
are a liar to the teeth.
समझदार
You are
आदमी
a
सब
liar
जान
to the
रहे हैं
teeth.
आपकी आप
Anmol, are you quoting him verbatim? Are you sure? Are you quoting him verbatim?
NRC
आप
के ऊपर खुद
शरणार्थियों
जाके
को जो
कहते
है
हो कि भाई
Okay, Anmol, yes or no? I need to quickly take in
चाहते
the
हैं।
last
आप
word from
सुरक्षा
Pranay.
देना
Yes or no?
चाहते हैं।
Are you sure you're
आप उन्हें
quoting the Home
सुविधाएं
Minister
देना चाहते
verbatim?
हैं।
Anmol?
लेकिन आप उन्हें डिपोर्ट नहीं करना
He's lying,
चाहते
I challenge him.
लेकिन आप
Tell him
लिस्ट
to play
नहीं
the
देना
video.
चाहते दिल्ली सरकार को
Okay, Anmol,
आप
clearly is not going to take any of my direct questions. I'm going to go to Pranay. Anmol, time's up for you because you are not taking direct questions. Sorry. Pranay, to you. Last thoughts, please. What do you make of this political tutu meme?
Kritsween, my appeal to all political leaders and political parties across the board, elections आएंगे जाएंगे, कोई जीतेगा कोई हारेगा, but national security has to be kept paramount in importance. So I sincerely appeal to them that do not let Delhi become another Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar, for the uninitiated, is home to the largest refugee camp in the world, located in neighboring Bangladesh, populated by lakhs of Rohingyas. So the need of the hour is to build consensus on how to tackle this very important issue and implement NRC in Delhi instead of the blame game. Also, it needs to be investigated which political parties and members of administration,
Party supported.
which political
so
parties
we
and members
basically
of
sum up at the
administration.
fact that Anmol is clearly not given an answer to whether or not their party will support implementation of the NRC. But let's see how this plays out, and let's see what